In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your own keywords to automatically update your data blocks in SurveyMaker. Keywords are what automates some of the text values in your data blocks. In this instance, you will see that I've got a little keyword shortcut word there, KW, with a hyphen and a little name written to remind me what that keyword is all about. Now, some of these keywords ships with the standard SurveyMaker program. So you will receive a whole lot of templates, and the templates are located in the SurveyMaker templates folder. And in here you will also see, if I press the star button here, there's a little default data block keyword.dat file. That's the file where all your keywords are located. So you will also see at the bottom of your data block screen, there's an option or a little text box there with a tooltip that gives you indication where that .dat file is stored. So if you want to create your own, you just have to put it in that folder, or you can even update that file or copy a file from somebody else into that folder, and your keyword should work with the templates that that keyword file is assigned to. Now, you'll see in this instance, I have a PLS number that is not written there, but because of the keyword, it is written there based on my default configuration settings. Now, to manage my keywords, I would go to Options, and I would say Data Block Keyword Setup. You can create your own new keyword, so I'm going to do that and say New, and then just call this KW-my new keyword. Alright, and then you can choose whatever you want to put in there. So let's say I want to do the figure definition. So first of all, you don't have to do this, but you can add your own text. So I'll put in my own text here, make a space, and then select whatever you want in the list of values that are supplied by SurveyMaker and press that button. This I will then save, and that is it. The keyword is created. So press OK. Now I'm going to call that keyword into this data block. In fact, I'm going to create a new data block. So I'm just going to say new data block. It creates a name data block 16, which I can rename, and just call this my test data block. And so that's now got an empty container. I can draw some lines around it, and I'm going to say it is 200 millimeters wide and 50 millimeters high, and it is located, and you already see on the screen that it's drawing something, but it's located about, let's say, 100 millimeters from the top. So here it is. This is the data block I just created, and you'll see the coordinates of the positioning changes as I move this around. Now, obviously it's much too wide, so I'll make it a bit smaller, and I'll position it wherever I want to position it. Then I'm going to call in my keyword, and I'm going to click on this box here and find the keyword I just created. My new keyword, where is it? Right at the bottom. And pressing this button adds it into the data block. And that is it. As easy as that. You can add your own text around it. You can make it center justified or left justified. Make it bold. Go to the next line and add another keyword if you like. And you can do this as many times as you like, adding any text in here, and then that is called automation, to create your template that you change once, but it's applicable and usable in all your diagrams. You can also add your own signature to your templates. To do that, I'm going to upload a signature from within the settings configuration page. So I need to close my cadastral plans window. I'm not going to save this change I just made, so I'm just going to say no. I don't want to mess up the existing template. If you say yes, this template will be changed to add this new data block that I just created. In this case, I'm just doing a little sample, so I'm just going to say no, forget about it. And then I don't want to keep a copy of this file, so I just say no. Alright, if you go to settings, configuration, and you go to user images, you'll see there's already an image preview of a signature of some of my clients probably. So you could go and add your own signature or file by just saying upload. And you can literally take any file, and I suggest you make a big signature on a piece of paper and scan it, or take a photo with your cell phone. Make it big so that when you scale it smaller, it's nice and pronounced, and preferably do it on a nice white sheet of paper. And if you can clean it up in image editing software to get the whiteness of the background as white as possible, that would be preferred. So I'm just going to go to my pictures here, and you'll see there's a signature, that same one I just used, and say open. And here it also says we're going to do a black and white import, and it's called new image. Right, so that's because of the title here. So, and I'll just call this the signature example. And then if you want to, you can password protect this by pressing the change password button, and you can literally create a password so that nobody can print documents with your signature on it. That's quite nifty. So I'm going to say, I think you click out of the box just to save it, and there you can see the signature is now defined by a name. And if I say OK, and I go to cadastral plans, I'll load some data just for kicks. And I'll go to my data blocks. So I'll go to data blocks there. And there's a data box for my signature. It says add signature here. So I can remove that part and go to my image drop down and put the signature I just created into the drawing. And if you need to, you can adjust it and move it around. And you'll see, because the white is nice and white, the program knows to hide the white, to make it a little bit transparent. So it can be like your signature needs to write a little bit over the text somewhere just to make it more realistic. And that's how you add your signature or keywords into the templates.